All right. So to help us get a little bit faster on our math facts, I think we need to go back and talk about how we do counting on, because we know that that's one of our fastest strategies, okay? So remember, when you count on, you take the bigger number or the smaller number?
Bigger.
Bigger number, and you put it in your brain, and then
you get the little number and then count from the big one to that one.
right. So then you take the big number that's in your brain, and you're going to count on how many you have for the little one. Okay? So let's practice some. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. We'll start with an easy one.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
Yay. That's 2.
Okay, so which number are we going to put in our brain? Show me.
3.
I want to see you to show me with your fingers. All right, so we're going to put 3 in our brain, and how many are we going to count on? Show me with your fingers. Show me with your fingers, not your voice. Okay, so let's try. Ready? Take that 3. Let's put it in our brain. 3, 4, 5. Good job. So our answer is 5.
I already know that.
All right, let's try another one.
Ooh, a harder one.
All right, show me with your fingers, which number are we going to start with? Which one? Remember, we want to start with the biggest number, so I want you to show me with your fingers which one is the biggest. All right, Savannah, I don't see a number. Angela, I don't see a number. Which of those numbers is the biggest? All right, we should have up 7, so we're going to put 7 in our brain, and then what are we going to do?
Count 2 more.
Count 2 more. So you ready? Take that 7, put it in your brain. 7, 8, 9. And our answer is 9. All right. Now what I want you to do is I want you to find a buddy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Andres, you're going to have to join a group, so find a group to join. Quick. 3, 2, 1. All right, good job. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to talk to your buddies and decide who, one of you needs to be a 1, one of you needs to be a 2. Talk to your buddies.
I want to be a 2.
All right, it's sounding quiet, so I think we've all decided. All right, show me with your finger, what number are you? So one of us should be a 1, one of us should be a 2. Bria, you can pick to be a 1 or a 2, and you'll just help that person. Savannah, I thought you were a 2. Okay. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to start with the 2s. And 2s, what you're going to do is you're going to teach your buddy how to count on. Do you think you can handle that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to put a problem up on the board for you to practice with. And this one, because we did easy peasy ones already, we're going to practice with kind of a tricky one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me put the problem up and then we'll get ready to teach. All right, are you ready? Teach. Go. Remember, don't just tell them what to do, tell them why.
5.
So in your brain, you put it in there. Is it in there? Okay, then what happens, Angel? All right, now count 5 more. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then what? Comes after 12. Ask Angel if you don't know. All right. Aiden, what did you and your buddy think is the answer? 13. All right, so I'm going to put a 13 up here. If you and your buddy got that same answer, I want you to give Aiden a thumbs up.
And high five.
All right, why don't you give Aiden a round of applause. Bravo, Aiden, bravo. All right, so which number do I put in my smart doubles, I can tell. All right, so we're going to take 8, put it in our brain. 8. Then how many more do we need to count? 5. Okay, so what do I count next? 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Wonderful job, teachers. If you were the teacher, give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, now, if you were the listener last time, this time it's going to be your time to be the teacher. Are you ready to see your problem you need to teach?
Yeah.
Okay, here it comes. Oh, I'm going to give you a nice and tricky one. All right, are you ready? Teach. Now you start telling your buddy, what do you do? Is 6 bigger than 9? No, so let's start with 9. So tell them put 9 in your brain. And then what are you going to do? Count. How many more? 6 more, because we already put 9 in our brain, so now tell them count 6 more. Let's try that again, because that didn't seem like we were very confident. Let's try again. What number are we going to put in our brain? 9. So put 9 in your brain. Jack, how many more do you need to count? Okay, so 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
that's 6, so we need to stop, right? Not yet. All right, Angel, what did you think about that one? What answer did you and your buddy get? You got 14?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to put a 14 here. If you and your buddy got that, I want you to give them a thumbs up. If you think maybe it's something different, go thumb in the middle if we need to rethink that one. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of thumbs in the middle. So, Angel, why don't you walk us through what did you do to get 14? Okay, so let's do it. Take 9, put in your brain. 9. Then what are we going to do? 10 more. Or 6 more. Sorry, not 10 more. 6 more. Ready? 9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh.
I got that.
So what do you think now, Angel?
15.
What answer do you think? 15. So I think that time you guys might have just only counted 5, or you might have started counting at the wrong spot. That's right, because 14 has 1 10 and 4 ones, 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. Okay, so now when we do our math facts test, I want you guys to try and use some of these strategies, because a lot of people I think are still doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you're getting all confused and you don't know where to stop. So use your counting on, because you're really good at that. It's a very accurate way to get your answer, okay?